Hey everybody, Jamie from the Rain Doctors YouTube channel. We're working on a 50 horsepower Johnson. We've gone ahead and pulled the power head off because we cannot draw fuel through to the bottom cylinder and there appears to be water intrusion. Here's the engine running on the top cylinder, but it won't fire on the bottom cylinder. But the water intrusion, and this is really strange, is coming out through the top cylinder's exhaust port. And then maybe getting drawn into the bottom one, allowing it to not fire and washing the oil off the walls. But I also want to touch on, if we look inside, and hopefully you guys can see this, there are some orange markings and some pitting on the inside. So we've had water intrusion for a while, and I also believe that the customer perhaps wasn't storing the engine properly and using storage fog to set it up for over the winter. So maybe more on this one a bit later, but for now I got to tear it down and get it off to the machine shop. If anyone else has any other ideas why water might be getting into these cylinders outside of the base gasket being blown, because we don't have the old style covers that can blow gaskets, so it's a lost foam casting. So it's got to be coming in from the bottom, or a cylinder is misfiring and pulling the water in that way, but it typically doesn't do that when you run it on the muffs. All right, thanks for watching, and yeah, more on this later.